Welcome to 555 Barbershop, everybody, your home for comprehensive tutorials on barbering. This video features a beard enhancement done on a client with a sparse beard. Subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any more of these tutorials. Alright guys, let's get into it. The product I'm using in this video is called Kiss Express. It's one of my favorite products to work with because it comes already made and I don't have to fool around with it too much. Other products like Just for Men last longer, but they're a little tricky to apply. Either way, I left a link in the description of this video where you can purchase either of these products. As you can see, not a whole lot of product is needed. All I do is create a thin line where I want the beard to be, and from that thin line, I take the product and distribute it throughout the rest of the beard. The next step is to clean up that line I just made with the straight razor. I'm using a straight blade in essence to push the paint along onto the line that I just got finished creating. Working with beard enhancement sometimes allows you to see the mistakes you made while you were shaving the client. A good practice is to go back and make adjustments. Working with beard enhancement can also reveal some loose ends. I like to go back and get rid of them with a trimmer. This trimmer is the 38 Super by Caliber. Loose ends have a tendency to appear over the surface of the beard as well. To get rid of them, pass a bare clipper with the blade closed over the surface of the beard. The clipper I'm using is called the 357 Magnum by Caliber. Now I'm just taking the time to detail this side of the face before I move on to the other side. And the rest is history. Watch closely as I perform the same exercises throughout the rest of the beard. If your beard enhancement looks like this one or better, you've done well. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and always remember, always be learning, always be practicing, and always be humble. To purchase any of the products I use in this video, hit the link in this video's description. And don't forget to use my discount code 555.